how to remove limit problem on your Instagram easily and fast. So if you have this problem, guys, this video is gonna help you. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll like this until you find Instagram app and then click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. This is the app information page. As you can see right here, go down and choose the power usage details like this, and then go to this app launch option, click on it and turn on the manage automatically option like this. Go down, click on OK, and then go down here, click on this force stop to stop the power analysis options on Instagram, and then go back, click on force stop, go down to the storage, click on the clear data option, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.